Hello, today I will walk you through the uninstallation process of SQL Server. I have SQL Server 2017 in my machine, but the process is the same for all versions. Let's get started. Click on the Start menu and then type Uninstall. Then choose Add or Remove Programs. When the window appears, go to the text box and type SQL Server. Many results containing SQL Server appear. Make sure you scroll down and find Microsoft SQL Server and the version year you want to remove. This is because you may have different versions of SQL Server installed in the same machine. Click on the version to uninstall. The Uninstall button appears. Click on it and click on Uninstall button from the confirmation pop-up. Small window appears with 3 options. Click on Remove. You will see Select Instance page where you are invited to select the SQL Server instance you want to remove. In case you have multiple instances installed, make sure you choose the correct one you want to uninstall from the drop-down list on the top. Then click Next. The next page is Select Features. Here you can filter which feature you want to remove or click on the Select All button below the list to remove all features. That's what I will do. Then click Next. The last screen is just to confirm your choices. If all seems good, press Remove. The uninstallation process begins. Give it some time to finish. I will speed up the video to see the next part. When all components are removed, you will see the result of the installation. If you see all items with green check mark icon, it means all went well. Otherwise, you will see red icons near the components that had issue, and details about the causes in the summary log mentioned in the bottom of the window. For me though, all worked good. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.